Hey guys, so today I'm just going to do a quick skincare routine update. For those of you who asked, this is it. Um, First things first, in the shower, I just keep it in there. It looks really messy. It's the Formula 10.06. It's the Daily Foaming Cleaner. It's like the passion fruit one. I love that. It's my all-time favorite, favorite face wash. It's been for a few years, but it is amazing. I'll insert a picture here. Guys, it is so good, but that is my absolute favorite. And I also like to use the Biore charcoal pore strips. Specifically, the charcoal ones are my favorite. I only do them about like once a month, and that's what I notice really helped me keep more foundation on my nose. Just would help me, so just as a heads up. But I'm going to show you guys the routine that I really like to use and stuff that I use. I did change it a lot before. At one point, I got really into skincare and I was using way too much. So these are my favorites in the wintertime. I really like this moisturizer. It is the Ordinary Natural Moisturizing Factors Plus HA, which is pretty much hyaluronic acid. I love this. I love that it's not extremely scented. It goes really nice underneath my foundations, and it's really thin, and it doesn't feel gross. A lot of the moisturizers I've tried in the past, they just feel really gross and oily and just not good on my skin. It makes me feel like I want to wash my face. That one does not, so I really love that one. I've really limited it now to what I use, and I'll tell you how often I use them and what I do. First things first, I love this Badescu drying lotion so much. I've gone through several of these, just a little Q-tip, and I put them on my pimples when I do get one before I go to sleep, and then when I wake up, it really does make a huge difference. This is amazing. Totally worth the money. Very much recommend. It's just so good. And I have two Ordinary products, and I've gone through several of these. These are my favorites. The Amino Acids plus B5 and the Hyaluronic 2% with B5. My skin really likes these. I don't do these every single day. I do like to use the hyaluronic acid every single night, but then I won't do all these every single night. But the hyaluronic acid I always use, so I go through this the most, and it's so much easier now because I can just buy them through Ulta. So I really like this. Sorry, mine get like really dirty. Everything I touch gets like a pinkish red tint to it. So yeah, even my nails, my hands, everything. But yeah, so I use this like every night. I love this. So it's just one of my favorite things. The Amino Acids plus B5, and then I got the Revolution, it's Makeup Revolution skincare line. This is the only thing I've tried from them, but this is the niacinamide plus 1% zinc, and this is for blemish and pore refining serum. I know the Ordinary's got one, but personally I can't use the one because it's got, I think it was Terramide or something, or pink peppercorn. There's something in it that I'm allergic to, so that's why I didn't get the Ordinary's in it, but I did get theirs, and I love this. I only use this probably about twice a week, and then I also do the amino acid thing probably about twice a week. I normally make them like, good skincare nights, probably sometime in the middle of the week and sometime on the weekend. Sometimes I might do 3 where I go Monday, Wednesday, Sunday. It really depends on my week, how much my skin might need it. I like to take it as some me time, but it's really pretty simple. I don't use this all the time. Just when my skin needs it, I'll put it on under makeup, or I'll just put it on. Just gives a nice kind of like a little bit of a glow. Doesn't make me look greasy or oily. I don't feel dirty. So that's always really important to me, but I use the hyaluronic acid every night. Personally, I really, really love that. I just find that it makes my face not look so dry. I don't know. I do have the buffet up there, which I do want to start incorporating. I was using it a lot at one point, but I just noticed such a difference with these that I ended up really falling in love with them. But that is what I like to do. It's really easy, really simple. I try not to overcomplicate it. Every day I take a shower. I don't wash my hair every day, but I take a shower every day, and I'll wash my face with the face stuff, and then I kind of do all that stuff. But yeah, that's what I like to do. It's really simple. That's what I do. It's what worked for me because it made me feel good. You guys noticed that my skin looks a lot better, so thank you. But yeah, that is what I do. If you guys have any questions, let me know down below. I don't use nothing crazy expensive or fancy. The only thing that was expensive to me is the Badescu. That is expensive. But other than that, everything I do is pretty affordable. So yeah, hope you guys like it. Thanks so much for watching, and please be sure to subscribe. All right, thanks guys. Bye.